have a little bit of time, so I'm going to show you some exercises you can do to work on your kicks. So let's get started. Open up about as wide as you feel comfortable to a nice solid horse stance. Now we're going to do what's called snake stretch. You're going to go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to do it again, but this time you're going to point the toe up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, last one. Now watch carefully. You're going to slide from side to side, and then you're going to drop. Slide, slide, drop. Slide, slide, drop. You really want to try to open these hips up. All right, good. Okay. Now, wiggle your feet back together. Okay. Now, let's do some hop jumps. So, you'll open up about shoulder width apart. Place your hands behind your head. Drop down all the way down. And come up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. All right, you should feel pretty warmed up by now. Okay, next, you're gonna do some, what we call some kneeling, one leg kneeling. So you're gonna go down for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, good. Shake it out. Now your heart rate's up, but we're going to start out with slow kicks. So you're going to open up, step into your forward stance. We're going to do front, side, and back. Slow. Don't worry about the height. Just focus on control and proper positioning. See? Now, when we turn around, just take a step in and back out. So we're back into our fighting stance. Now we do the opposite side. 1. Again, height's not important at this time. Just control. Okay. Now that's the slow kick. Now, if you have time, do that for 3 rounds. And each time, maybe go a little slower and add a little bit more control. Coordinate your breathing with it. But if you don't, next you want to go into what's called double speed. So we're going to do double speed, same coordination. So 1, 2, 3, square off, step in, step back out again. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now, what I like to recommend, you do it double speed the first time, then you double the last speed, and you keep going as fast as you can. That way you build up to your maximum speed. So we'll do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, double the speed. 1, 2, 3. Good. And we're going to just take a recycle here. Now, as a bonus, I want to show you a couple advanced kicks. Now, it's important that you do your crane stance, your hanging horse, because it's important to have a solid platform leg, right? Now, once you got the foundation down, the front, side, back, solid platform, Now you're ready for what's called the sickle, or what some people like to refer to as question mark. So it goes like crane stance. You throw a groin kick, right? Pivot on the, and then throw the second kick. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, right? So again, with this, height's not important till you feel fully warmed up and you don't feel like you're losing control. Okay, so we'll do it from this side. 2, 2, 2. Okay. Now the last bonus kick is called the tiger tail, which is sort of the reverse question mark kick. So now there are a couple ways to do this. First, you can step in and do the tiger tail. But I always like to throw in the groin kick first and then tiger tail. Groin kick and tiger tail. Now, with these kicks, even with the beginning, you don't even have to move. If you have a little space in your house, you can do the front, side, back kick, come back, switch, front, side, back kick, and switch. Same thing with the sickle. You just come up, 1, and then come back. Up, and come back, right? And then again with the, I'm sorry, that was the tiger tail. And then with the sickle kick, you get the same thing. Right, comes from the outside. And see, I don't need that much space to do that. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, let me know in the comments. And let me know what you want to see next. Take care, stay inspired and inspirational.